In the annals of history, few stories encapsulate the fusion of East and West as dramatically as that of Jules Brunet, a French military officer who became an unlikely samurai during Japan's tumultuous Bakumatsu period in the 19th century. His saga is not only a tale of personal valor and cultural exchange, but also a unique insight into the shifting dynamics of an era when Japan was transitioning from feudal isolation to modern statehood. Jules Brunet was born in 1838 in Belfort, France. He graduated from the École Polytechnique, one of France's foremost military academies, and was commissioned as an artillery officer. Brunet's skills in artillery would later define his role in Japan. The young officer's journey to Japan began with the arrival of the first Japanese mission to Europe in 1862, which aimed to modernize the Japanese military to resist Western colonization. Recognizing the opportunity to influence Japan's military development and secure French interests in Asia, the French government sent a group of military advisors to Japan in 1867, including Brunet. Brunet arrived during a period of intense political and social upheaval. The Tokugawa Shogunate, which had ruled Japan for over 250 years, was on the verge of collapse. The arrival of Western powers, exemplified by the expeditions of Commodore Perry from the United States, had forced Japan to open to the world, sparking a crisis of modernity versus tradition. When the Meiji Restoration began in 1868, with the young Emperor Meiji seeking to restore imperial rule and modernize Japan, the Tokugawa loyalists, including the powerful northern domain of Ezo, modern-day Hokkaido, resisted. The Boshin War erupted, pitting imperial forces against the shogunate's remnants. Initially, Brunet's mission was purely advisory, but his allegiance to his Tokugawa hosts and his admiration for their cause soon saw him taking a more active role. When the French government officially ordered its advisors to return home, Brunet resigned from the French army and chose to stay, motivated by loyalty to the Tokugawa cause. Brunet moved to Ezo with the remnants of the shogunate's forces, helping to organize the Republic of Ezo, which endeavored to resist the new imperial government. He took up the position of Chief of Staff in the Army of the Republic, leveraging his expertise in artillery tactics and military organization. Despite their efforts, the Republic of Ezo was short-lived. Imperial forces soon defeated them, culminating in the fall of the stronghold at Goryokaku. Brunet was captured in 1869. Rather than facing execution or imprisonment, Brunet's life was spared due to the respect he had garnered from both sides for his commitment and bravery. He was returned to France, where he faced no punishment. Instead, he was reinstated into the French military, eventually rising to the rank of general. Jules Brunet's adventure in Japan is a poignant chapter in the wider narrative of the Bakumatsu period. He remains a figure of fascination in both Japan and France, symbolizing the complex interplay of cultural respect, military ambition, and personal honor. His story was later immortalized in popular culture, notably inspiring aspects of the 2003 Hollywood film The Last Samurai. Brunet's life serves as a testament to the profound impacts of cultural exchange and the unexpected ways in which individuals can find themselves swept up in the currents of history, fighting alongside those they once might have called strangers.